4:22 a.m. Guess where we're going?
In New York.
We made it to New York.
Goddamn New York.
Goddamn New York. And we're staying
cut that out.
at
That's too cringe.
the Pod 51 Hotel. But that's okay. It's like, it's okay. And we're gonna go meet our friends who are doing exchange in America. We're in Times Square right now. Crazy. So busy. Massive New York pizzas.
Massive.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Times Square. Good morning, New York. Oh, we're here at the bagel place. It is way too fucking early. It is 12 p.m. But I slept at 5, so I'm tired, and Calvin made me come out because he didn't want our friends to wait longer. And I haven't done my makeup and I don't feel good. Got the coffee, got the bagel, and I saw someone order and they were like, can I get a black coffee? And I was like, that is so New York. I got the chicken cordon, like a chicken bagel. I wanted smoked salmon, but I couldn't see a pre-made smoked salmon option. And then I got stressed, so I just got the chicken one because you can't go wrong with chicken. We are getting ready for day 2 of Rolling Loud. I am scared. We're in Ktown right now, and we biked here on the city bike from our hotel. We're eating ramen and gyoza. It's the first time having it in so long. This is our dessert choice. We got the cookies and buttercream frosting, and you dip it in. Look at this jacket that I got yesterday at Rolling Loud. It's got the RL. It's got the rolling. One of my friends lost his phone at a festival in the US a few weeks ago, and then yesterday someone stole it again. That's so fucking tragic. He just bought a new phone. It's so crazy because like shit like that rarely happen in Australia. Another friend said that they went to Izu and 4 out of like 10 of them lost their phones as well. That's so crazy. I hate that it is so common. Like a couple of people lose their phones. Oh my god, I should have made like an ASMR video. Did the lashes. I remember one time I was doing my friend's makeup and I accidentally stuck her eyelid together because I was like sticking on lashes. 15 minutes early, baby. Now I can decide what to put. This is the fit. This and look. My first designer handbag. This lady, Dior. Got the black leather, champagne gold. She's so fucking cute. And on the strap, we got the initials. And look, it's red inside. That is so fucking sexy. We went to this place called Bibble and Sip, and we got some cakes. Weird, it's too bright. Oh.
What the fuck?
It just slipped. I don't know why it's so watery. It was here, it slid down there.
What the fuck happened to our cakes?
Oh my god, it's so cute. It's too cute to eat. We just realized that they forgot to give us one of them. raspberry lychee tart, and milk tea cloud. And then there was meant to be a third one. Bunny macaron. Ooh.
Oh.
It tastes very milk tea. It's like this inside. Oh, it's an entremet.
It's an entremet.
That is our sink and bathroom situation.
I'm wearing undies, babe.
I'm a simple girl. This makes me happy.
Shoes. I'm wearing dogs and they're filling up like buckets.
First time trying ICHIRAN. This.
I'm having trouble orientating.